back to Benny 10. Are you ready for this? I've just been stretching to try and get myself ready for this. We're ready for this, right? Cardio, HIIT. We're going to do 35 seconds of work and 25 seconds of rest, and we're going to start the stopwatch now. So if you get in your position, the first exercise, we're just going to go and do a little grapevine. So we're just going to go to the left, behind, and then jump and clap. We're just going to warm up really, really simply. So you'll pick it up. Let's hit it now. Let's go. So on your left foot first and clap. You might think you've entered a dance class. Well, you haven't, but they are brilliant and I recommend you go. And clap. So we're just easing our way into this. It's going to get a lot harder, don't you worry. 35 seconds work, as I said, 25 seconds rest. And when you get to rest, I'll be explaining the next exercise, so lucky me. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, you guys rest. Next thing that we're going to do is we're just going to build on that. We're going to do some galloping to the side, touch when you get to either side. So 2 gallops and to the floor. So starting in 10 seconds, guys. Again, same deal, 35 seconds of work. And get ready to gallop. Now we're starting to up the intensity here, guys. You can imagine you're some really richly talented footballer who gets paid £1 a second to do this in their warm-up. Great, we're around halfway now. Keep working. 10 to go. 5. And rest. Woo! Okay, you guys have a little break. Next exercise, we're going to be sprinting forwards and backwards. So just really kind of just burst, really. Get those fast feet working. Starting in 10 seconds. Who's ready for this? And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to go this way. Let's go. And then just backpedaling, yeah? So just really, kind of really going for it on the way there, just backpedaling. You'll look a bit weird, but fast feet, bit of a dance. And run, Forrest, run. And stop. Let's have a rest. Lovely stuff. Take your 25 seconds. I'll show you what's up next. We're going to go for some burpees. But they're going to be press up burpees. Press up into the burpee and finish like so. Who's ready for 35 seconds of these? Let's go. 5, 4, 3. Get ready. 2, 1. And in. Really extending. And jumping up at the top. Around halfway. This mat is just slowly drifting backwards. 10 to go, guys. Keep pushing, come on. 3, 2, 1, finish strong and rest. Awesome work, take your break. Next up, we've got these kind of stay up crawls. So we're going to crawl our way over and back pedal. And the idea is you stay up, you don't drop. You're a bit like an animal in that sense. So starting in 5, ready for this? Let's hit it. Just stay up, then back pedal. This really is how animals walk. They're always up, and it makes you realize how strong they are, to be fair. So imagine you're in the Lion King, imagine you're Simba. Stay up, don't drop. How are we doing? 15 seconds to go. Keep that back flat. And rest, everyone. Whew. Perfect. Next exercise we're going to do, come down here, tuck jump from plank out and then a double jump. Okay, starting in 5 seconds. Are we ready? We got this. Let's go. So tuck jump in, out and jump. In, out and jump. You've got the idea now. Keep strong. Ten to go. 10 to go. And rest. Awesome work. Next up, guys, take your break. We're going to do a little bit of shoulder taps with a twist. So tap your shoulder, tap your shoulder, tap your knee, and then you're going to reverse that. Tap the knee, tap the knee, tap the shoulder, tap the shoulder. Everyone ready for this? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Shoulder taps to start with. Knee, 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 shoulder, 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 knee, 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 shoulder, shoulder, knee, knee, shoulder, shoulder. I marked up my own rhythm. Shoulder, shoulder, knee, 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 shoulder, shoulder. 10 seconds. Shoulder, shoulder, knee, 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 shoulder, 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 knee, knee, finish. I can even do my own rhythm. Brilliant. Next up, guys, take your 10 seconds, take your 25 seconds rest. We're going to go into this lunge position and we're going to run statically by staying in the lunge. Halfway through, we'll switch legs. So stay in that position. Let's go, deep lunge, and just really pump those arms. Now this looks really stupid, so let's be honest. If there's anyone around you, just make sure they're not looking. But it does get the heart rate up, actually. And switch legs. Woo! I feel really stupid. Three, 2, 1, and rest. Great, next exercise, 2 more to go. We have got this in the bag now, is high knees. I put them in, you know, high knees, I put them in because everyone hates them, so I thought why not. So let's hit it in 5, 4, 3, oh I'm sweating now, 2, 1, let's go. 35 seconds. Really get them nice and high, guys. You know, if the ice cream truck is the only reason you run, that's great. I don't know if you've seen that Hello Adele parody. It's worth checking out, it's very funny. 15 to go. Oh, it's come off the mat now. Keep pushing those knees. Higher, higher, higher. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest, rest, rest. And I've got to explain the next one. Oh, I'm exhausted. Okay, arms out, legs out, gonna cross in front, gonna come out again, cross behind. So it's this kind of star jump, crossing in front and behind. You get the idea? Last 35 seconds, give it everything. Continuing our little dance theme from today. Doing really well, 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Whew. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Brilliant. Grab yourself a drink. I'm feeling pretty worked, pretty energized, heart rate's up. And that's the end of the workout for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And as always, I'll be back soon. The song of the day is about to finish on. One that I'd recommend for this workout is Take On Me by AHA, as you already know, I'm sure. But other than that, have a lovely week. Thank you very much.